How to activate your Wise account. From the main page of Wise, we want to click on our name in the top right corner. And right here, we should see the option to complete our account at the bottom if we haven't done this already. So just select complete account and it will show us a list of all of the steps that need to be completed and that have been completed in order to activate our Wise account. So if we have this little clock icon next to these steps, it means that we haven't done those yet. So for me, I need to verify my identity and add payment details. So if you want to activate, you just click on continue. We can skip over this Wise card add. So basically it tells us that we need to input 20 euros if we want to verify our account. So let's just click on continue. And here now you have some options of verifying. So you can either scan a QR code with your phone or you can get a link sent by email. If you don't have a phone, you can also use a webcam to activate your Wise account. So let's do this. It tells us that it's a little bit more difficult because of the webcam quality if we don't have a phone, but we can select continue anyway. And basically if you want to activate your account, so here we have to verify our identity. So you have to choose your ID issuing country, and we have to also choose the type of document that we're going to take a picture of. So we can do passport, we can do national ID, refugee identity document, or a driver's license. And after you have chosen the option, you click on next. Let's just do passport, click on next, and right here it will tell us that we have to take a photo. So if we click on this, it will activate our webcam and it will ask us to show the document that we have selected previously. And that's the first step that we need to complete. And the second step, like I showed you for me, is actually depositing money. So basically you just have to give your debit card details or credit card details for a transaction, and it will take the money, and then you can do whatever you want with it on Wise, just to verify your identity. And that's how you activate your Wise account. Hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.